Hello YouTube, quick update on internet connection issues. Just installed TutuBox and it says internet connection required. So I'll show you how to sort it out. So first we need DNS clock. If you don't have, you should download from App Store. Yeah. Make connect on demand. Go to blacklist, whitelist. Choose OCCP file. With this file, both files will be in description. So after adding blacklist new certificate, yeah, go to Safari, go to clear history. After clearing history, go to your Wi-Fi. If you're using Apple proxy, yeah, just turn off, we don't need. So after clearing, it still says, now we should, one sec. Yeah, now we should go to general, VPN, restart VPN, disconnecting and restarting. You see, just been swapped from connection to trust. Now to trust, we should go back to general, profiles management, press trust, and it opens. Yeah, after opens, go back to DNS clock. It's blacklist, whitelist, swap to PPQ and restart. So now it should work. Yeah. Cancel. You can download any app you like. Should everything work now? Again, unable to verify, internet connection required. So we should go now again to sort it out to Safari. Clear history and data. Try a few times. If it's not changing, you should restart. Go to general. One sec. It's not verified. Try verify. Enable to verify. Yeah, so now we should put connect on demand on VPN DNS clock and restart. It's restarting automatically. Should go. Yeah, see? First was internet connection and now we're able to get in. Let's try again. See, now opens without any issues. It's sometimes just closing, but it starts with no, if not from first time, from second or whatever. Okay, we're in game, so everything works fine. Let's try to catch. Okay, everything works. So as well, speed, if you don't know how to change, you can just type any speed you like or go to settings, speed, yeah, back, snipe, add some coordinates, tap to walk, joystick, everything you need. To get coordinates, go to favorites, hotspots. You see many hotspots. You can teleport, but it will be cooled down for 2 hours. So wait after teleport for 2 hours, otherwise you will get soft ban. You will be unable to catch any Pokemons for 2 hours anyway, yeah. After 2 hours we'll be able to catch. So enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for latest news and updates. Bye.